Income Protection Insurance. These days, it's tough enough while you're working to live within your means and meet your regular bills and living expenses. But what if through accident or illness, you couldn't work for 3 months, 6 months, or even years? How long will your savings last before you and your family are under serious financial pressure? You may have some sick leave to cover a small amount of time off work. But what if it's something major? Your health insurance may cover most of your medical bills, but not your living expenses. And it's not just a matter of paying the mortgage or the credit card. It may not even be about paying your kids' school fees. It may be about being able to feed your family. Financial security is the difference between living in poverty, just scraping by, or having the ability to function as you need day in, day out. Income Protection Insurance provides financial security by paying up to 75% of your regular income, ensuring in the event of you becoming ill or injured and unable to work, that most of your regular monthly bills and living expenses are paid. Now that's financial security. So, who needs income protection insurance? Anyone who earns a wage or salary and is supporting themselves or their family should carry an income protection policy. Put simply, every household needs income protection cover. But what does a typical income protection insurance policy cover? If you become injured or ill, your policy provides regular payments to you, as if you were still working. Within limits, you can choose how long you'll have to wait after the injury or illness occurs before the payments start, and you can also choose how long the benefits are paid for. You can build in for your cover to pay your superannuation contributions. You can even ensure the payments automatically index for inflation each year. Why is it important to get advice? Income protection insurance has a lot of variables. For example, you can have cover for payments to last for 2 years, 5 years, or even to age 65. You can choose index claim benefits, super continuance cover, and there's also the option for an indemnity policy or an agreed value policy. There's a lot to consider, so it's imperative that you work closely with us, your risk specialist advisor, to tailor cover that meets your specific needs. Let's have a brief look at an indemnity policy versus agreed value policy. An indemnity policy is simpler to set up. You complete the form and state your income. Keep in mind that before you can receive payments, you'll need to prove your income. With an agreed value policy, you need to prove your income when you first take out the policy. Unless there is a change in what you earn, you do not need to prove it when you make your claim. Here's an example of how discussing your options with your risk advisor will make sure you have a policy that will protect your specific needs. Let's say you have an income protection insurance policy where you are covered for $100,000. You have an accident and are told you will be off work for 6 months. To receive payments from an agreed value policy, all you need to do is show the doctor's report that you are unable to work. But before you can receive payments under an indemnity policy, you'll need to prove your income. What if you were unemployed for a few months in the previous year? What amount will you actually be paid? Should you have to make a claim after having just suffered a traumatic event, all you really want to do is have the payments commence. You don't want the stress of waiting for approvals while you prove your income. When set correctly, income protection insurance can help you overcome financial burdens while recovering from a traumatic event. Income protection insurance makes sure the right amount goes to the right people at the right time. Protecting yourself is your responsibility. But seek professional advice and choose wisely, because the choices you make today have a direct effect on the financial future of your loved ones. As licensed professionals, we're qualified to guide you in all matters relating to income protection insurance. We'll be happy to make a time to meet with you to discuss your particular needs. Contact us today. Our contact details are provided on this screen for you. Please phone or email us and we'll be in touch to set up a meeting.